guys, so there is this cult literally in the making here on TikTok.
And after I am watching a cult be formed in real time on this app in 2024 is crazy. A lot of people are calling this a cult. To me, it doesn't really fall under the cult thing, but it's still kind of early. I don't know what this is going to turn out to be.
Do you guys remember Jim Jones? Do you remember Waco? Child supported to history. This is giving all kinds of things going wrong fast.
If this man starts calling himself Neptune and starts calling everybody who lives on his land his little mermaids, don't be surprised.
On this little app, there's a group of people that have gotten together to build themselves a little commune. They are calling Rebuild Atlantis, and I just want to know how in the fuck in the year 2024 we are still falling for fucking cult.
We've been talking about it and are basically saying we are watching a cult start from scratch and play out right before our eyes on TikTok.
And then I like went viral because other people were making videos about me and saying that I have a cult and all this crazy stuff.
Oh yeah? Just
because I live in the middle of nowhere with some friends. They're like, oh, it's a cult and all this crazy stuff.
Introducing his opponent, the challenger, TikTok's very own Cult Investigation Unit.
I don't know a whole lot about it, but there's essentially this thing called Rebuilding Atlantis. Again, I've done like zero research. I just watched 3 videos and it's 1000% a cult. Again, I've done like zero research. I just watched 3 videos and it's 1000% a cult.
This is exactly what the Children of God communes sounded like. So why is it gotta be off grid? Why does your good commune that's not a cult always have to be so isolated? This is a question I have for anyone who's like, I'm building a good group. I'm Danielle, a scholar of cults, extreme groups, and extremely bad leadership, and you can read about my life growing up on a religious cult compound commune, and then being isolated off on Cult of the Army bases in various different countries. Signed books attached here.
It is a cult in the making. At what time is he going to ask you to do something or to show your loyalty or to show your commitment, and now you have nothing left because you gave up everything to go and rely on a man that's being generous with his land? I was in a cult from the time I was 9 until about 18 years old, and so I know a cult when I see one.
I know who I am now. I don't know what I am. I don't even believe I'm human. Me and my therapists are working on that. But they removed me. They removed me. And I was in there for 15 years. I'm 34, so that was half of my life. So I have to go to a therapist every 2 weeks, and it's been 8 years, and I'm only like halfway through chapter 1. I'm Danny, and I was raised in an extreme cult, and Rebuilding Atlantis is giving me flashbacks.
It feels almost like he's been paid to say these things, but it's like he's got dead eyes. Like there's no thoughts behind what he's reiterating. He's not on the same page spiritually, but he's trying to manipulate and coax spiritual people into his plan, which leads me to believe that this is all just like some weird trap. I mean, maybe to trap chosen ones into this type of situation so that they don't want to be in this situation again. You already get called a cult. It really is starting to seem like a psyop to just make people think everybody who wants to go off grid is some kind of cult leader.
Okay, so first of all, a cult, if you look up the definition, which you should, it's a religious organization. We aren't religious. We don't do religious stuff. In fact, some of us here are slightly antichrist because Christians are annoying. The whole like Jesus thing, no. Nope. Am I just atheist? No, I'm not. I'm just not a Christian. And we don't do religion here. So how can it be a cult if it's not religious? It's an organization, but not a religious one.
Wait a minute. Oh, do we have enough Kool-Aid?
We're almost out. We're
okay.
Some more.
All right.
For sure.
We'll get some tomorrow.